In this tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Tundra key fob to replace the internal battery at home. This is a very easy process, but you will need just one of these CR2032 batteries that powers this device. If you don't know where to get one of those, or you would just like to get one online, I will put a link down in the description so you can pick one up on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. Now, the first step to opening this thing up is just holding down this button on the side. Hold that down and pull the internal key out. Now you can see that is the keyhole, and right next to it we have a little perpendicular slot. We're just going to put a regular flathead screwdriver into that little area and twist. That will crack open the device. Oops. And you can just take this part, set that to the side, and now we're just going to gently lift out this circuit board, because on the other side we have the battery. And we want to hold it from the sides here. Try not to touch the back too much. You don't want to mess anything up back there. And we're just going to use the very same tool to pry this battery out. So right here up at the top, you can see there's a little area where we can kind of get behind the battery. I'm just going to insert the corner of my tool in. And once you get it in there, you're just going to push a little bit, wiggling, and it'll slide behind the battery and it will come right out. So once more, this is a CR2032 battery. Make sure when you're putting your new battery in, the positive side goes face up. So you want to see, once you click it in there, you want to see that plus sign face up. Now, putting it all back together, we have this back piece of plastic, and in there you can see that little circle in the plastic. The battery is going to go face down right on top of that circle. So set that in, circuit board will be facing up, and then we will just, simply click these two pieces back together. So I've set it on there, and just give it a squeeze, and put your key back in there as well, and you are finished and good to go. I hope that video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let me know down in the comments, or just by giving this video a like so it can reach more people and help them too. And if you ever need help changing another one of your batteries in your key fobs, we have videos here on YouTube for pretty much every device from every make and model. And you can also get all that information and more over at our website, fobbattery.com.